Brief, accurate and important news of today's Saturday. Honorable spokesman of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, Maulvi Zabihullah Mujahid says, for the first time, a soft drink made from a pomegranate water by Pamir Cola Company exported to America from Herat province. The acting Minister of Foreign Affairs, Maulvi Amir Khan Muttaqi, said to Iran's foreign minister, manage your borders. We do not have a common border with Iraq, Syria and Libya. A religious and scientific seminar has been held for teachers of Islamic culture from all universities of Afghanistan, imams and preachers by the leadership of the Ministry of Higher Education, and it will last for 3 days. Muhammad Nabi Baha, director of the Afghan Government Tourist Company, says that 4 hotels are going to be built this year at the expense of 64 million Afghanis. Paktian, Zazi Arib, Ghors, Minarjam and Bamiyan's Band Amir. The Ministry of Information and Culture says in Panjshir province a mulberry culture fair has been held. The ministry adds that several officials, poets and writers of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan took part in the festival. At this festival, the Finance and Administration Deputy of the Ministry of Information and Culture said, the Mulberry Cultural Festival of Panjshir province is an example of unity among different tribes of Afghanistan. The Zabul Province Department of Public Health says health assistance has improved in Zabul approximated to the previous and health assistance is provided to the people in a good way. Ministry of Interior, the Anti-Narcotics Police of Parwan Province compiled 100 drug addicts from different parts of the province and submitted them to health centers for treatment.